Welcome to in front of me Motorola Razr 2022, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So now I set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the power key button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we will see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here so fast and correct. We can unlock the device less within 1 second. So this is the good result for the fingerprint unlock method. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.